Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show error message in flows in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to add a custom error message element in our flow. But first, we need to go to our flow builder. So we can simply go to setup and search for flows, and from there we can find our flow that we want to manage or where we want to add our uh, error messages. So from here we will find all these flows. I'm just going to create a new flow and it will take me to the flow builder, and basically let's just go and use any templates. We can choose anything, for example. So from here, and to add an element or an error, we will need just to add an element, and from there we will need to search for custom error or for an error objects. So now, and basically let's just search for some recording editing, because we need to do some record triggered flow where we can show the errors in screen. But there are also the other errors, manipulation or management, like this one, or like these decision objects, etc. So we can go back and then we are just going to start a record triggered flow. I'm just going to go for new, and then we can go for from scratch and record triggered flow. And basically, if we go here, we can find the error object or elements, and then we can create it. So from here you can label it whatever you name you want and give the API name, and after that you can set the error details. So either uh, do it in inline error on some field that you are going to choose, depends on the record that you are going to objects that you are going to edit, like objects or whatever. And after that we can go here. When the record is created or updated, we need to show this message. So from here, you add the set entry conditions where you want the error to be, etc. So here we are going to this element, and basically we can start seeing all our elements, and this is our custom error message. And from here we need just to insert the message here, and you can select the field where you want to display it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.